Hello everyone, I am Ashwini Disle, student of the Bresang Institute, batch 22. Today I will discuss on technical topic that is body cavity. Body cavity are a space within the body that house vital organs and provide a protective environment for these organs to function. They are classified into two main groups, that is dorsal body cavity and the ventral body cavity. These cavities are further subdivided into uh, smaller cavities. Dorsal body cavity. This cavity is located along the posterior back side of the body and is subdivided into two smaller cavities, that is cranial cavity. Cranial cavity is inside the skull, and content of the cranial cavity is houses the brain, the meanings, protective layer surrounding the brain and the cerebrospinal fluid. Functions of the cranial cavity are protect the brain from physical damage and provide space for CSF, which cushions the brain and remove metabolic waste. Next is a spinal cavity, also known as a vertebral cavity. The location of the spinal cavity is extend from the cranial cavity down the vertebral column, and content of the spinal cavity is spinal cord and it protective covering the meanings, as well as a cerebrospinal fluid functions protect the spinal cord, which transmit neural signals between the brain and the rest of the body. Next is a ventral cavity. Ventral body cavity is located along the anterior aspects of the body and is larger than the dorsal cavity. It is divided into the thoracic cavity and the abdominopelvic cavity, which is separated by the diaphragm. And First see the thoracic cavity. Thoracic cavity is located in the chest region and is further divided into two smaller cavities, that is pleural cavities. Uh, the location of the pleural cavity is around each lungs, and content of the pleural cavity is lung, pleura. Uh, and the function of this cavity is allow the lungs to expand and contract during breathing, while preventing friction. Next is pericardial cavity. Pericardial cavity location is within the mediastinum, surrounding the heart, and content of this cavity is the heart, enclosed by the pericardium. Function of this cavity is protect the heart and limits its motion. The pericardial fluid reduces friction as the heart beat. Next is mediastinum. Location of the mediastinum is central area between the lungs and the thoracic cavity, extending from the sternum to the vertebral column and from the neck to the diaphragm. Contents of this is heart, thymus, esophagus, trachea, major blood vessels, and lymph nodes. Function of this cavity is contain the vital structures, contain the vital structures involved in circulation and respiration and immunity. Next is abdominopelvic cavity. Abdominopelvic cavity is located below the diaphragm and is further subdivided into abdominal cavity and pelvic cavity. Location of the abdominal cavity is upper part of the abdominopelvic cavity between the diaphragm and the pelvic cavity, and content of this cavity is stomach, liver, pancreas, spleen, gallbladder, small intestine, and most of the large intestine, kidneys, and adrenal glands. Function of this gland is houses the majority of digestive organ and helps protect them with layers of fat and muscles. The peritoneum, a double layer membrane, surround many of these organs. And next is a pelvic cavity. The location of pelvic cavity is lower part of the abdominopelvic cavity enclosed by the pelvic bones, and it contains the urinary bladder, reproductive organ, and function of these cavities protect the reproductive organs and the organs involved in the excretion. It also support the body's lower structure. And other body cavities includes the oral cavity and nasal cavity, orbital cavities, middle ear cavities, synovial cavities, and membrane associated with the body cavities. There are four membranes, that is meninges, pleura, pericardium, and peritoneum. Functions of body cavities are protection, organ organization, space for expansion, fluid secretion. Understanding body cavity is essential for grasping how the body organ and are arranged, how they interact, and how various protective mechanism function within the body. This is all about body cavities. Thank you.